Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one, diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing.
For a while I was blind, didn't think of the time that you needed to ease your troubled mind. You've been always profound, kept my feet on the ground. Now it's my turn to keep you from falling apart. Didn't see like you did when I felt just like a kid, living life as if it could never end. Didn't feel like you did, living life off the grid. You seem not to need anyone else. In the end we all play a part, and we all could have a change of heart. In the end we all make it start some way. In the end we all play a part, and we all could have a change of heart. In the end we all make it start someday. Someday.
Make it happen, it's all
a kid, living life as if it could never end.